How to turn off Temu notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Temu app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have the Temu application and then you are constantly bombarded with lots of notifications from Temu and then you would like to turn it off, what you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the settings application. Go to notifications. Under notifications you'll see a list of all these applications. So if you do find Temu over here, then you can go ahead and then just make sure to select the Temu application here. Once you select Temu, all you have to do is just turn off the toggle right next to allow notifications and you will not receive notifications from Temu. After you do that, you can also just go to this tab at the top known as series suggestions and then tap on it. Under series suggestions, again you want to look for the Temu application here and then turn off the toggle and then you will not receive notifications from Temu. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.